Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of 1 2 Step. If you're also trying to log into your MyHR CVS account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Search for MyHR CVS employee login on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, you can see a couple of results. You'll need to enter the website of CVS Health. So click on this link which says My Life Portal Login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login section. Now in the first box, you need to type in the username. The username is a 7-digit code that has been given to you by the company itself. So type in the username, and in the second box, type in the password. If you have forgotten the password of your account, click on the forgot password link and follow a couple of steps to recover your password. Once you type in both of these information correctly, you can click on submit and you'll be successfully logged in to your MyHR CVS employee account. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. If you guys are interested in more daily videos that we post, subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.